In this video, I will take you to a stunning island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and show you why a visit to Gorreana Tea Factory is a must. The flight from Newark, New Jersey was 5 hours and 45 minutes. As the plane was approaching the Azores Islands, I was finalizing the places I wanted to see, and top the list was Goreana, the oldest and largest tea factory in Europe. As the plane descended through the clouds, I recognized Mount Pico in Pico Island, which is the highest mountain in Portugal. 2 centuries ago, the island's main trade was orange, but when the orange fields were devastated by a disease that wiped out most of the orange trees, tea was introduced to compensate for the main source of trade for the island. It was a blessing in disguise. I spent hours walking the beautiful fields that looked more like a green painting. The tea is harvested from May till October, multiple times each season. About 40 tons of tea are produced each year. These are the workers. The harvested tea is collected in large bags. When the tea is wet, the bag can weigh about 15 kilos. Goreana tea fields occupy 32 hectares of land. Once the season is over in October, the plants are cleaned and pruned with manual labor till the next season begins. To produce 1 kilo of tea, you need 5 kilos of tea leaves. Goreana was opened in 1883, and today it is the oldest and largest tea factory in Europe. Tea grows very well in the Azores because it needs rain, fog, and little sun. And since it rains a lot and the land is acidic, the tea here differs in taste by being balanced and not strong. Goreana is geared toward tourists. The admission is free and you can roam the tea fields freely. Multiple people are harvesting the tea leaves in different locations at the same time. No herbicides, pesticides, or any other chemicals are used, since common pests of tea plants don't survive the humid climate of São Miguel. Once the leaves are collected, they are brought to the factory where they are dried and then grinded. Goreana is still using the original British Marshall machines dating back to 1840. The tea is then grinded . Then it is meticulously checked by hand before it is packed to be sold. You can try the tea here. It's free. Then you can go there and watch a movie. They explain how they produce the tea. And here you can buy some of their products. They have different kinds of tea. Green tea, black tea, and I think orange tea. This is the green tea. They have. Thank you so much. Once you pay here, you can go sit outside. And here you can try the tea. It's free. They also have some cakes, ice cream, drinks. The sea breeze and the view makes it hard to leave. The last day of my trip to Sao Miguel, I couldn't resist myself from coming back one more time to Goreana just to say goodbye. If São Miguel Island is not on your bucket list, I suggest to add it to your list and you will not be disappointed. Till the next video, I'll see you abroad.